Elizabeth Settle for the defense.
Mr. Ortiz-Rodriguez, please raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. Are you satisfied with the representation you received from Ms. Settle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Settle, are you satisfied that your client is competent to enter into a plea bargain agreement here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses that he may have?
He has.
Hey, Emick, there's a discovery acknowledgement. I understand that you've signed it and the state signed it. However, it's with Mr. Rodriguez on the email there. So Mr. Rodriguez, before you leave today, I need you to sign that if you're in agreement. Are you satisfied the state's complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, I am.
All right, and there's a 2.1397 acknowledgement on there as well. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you give me 1 second. All right, apologize. We're back on the record. Mr. Rodriguez, you stand charged in this case with the offense of theft, $100 to $750. That's a Class B misdemeanor, and the range of punishment is a $0 to $2,000 fine, 0 days to 180 days in the county jail. Do you understand the range of punishment, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
On the screen in front of you, I'm placing a document. It's called the Waiver of Your Constitutional Rights and Court's Admonitions. Did you go over this document with your attorney, Ms. Settle?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand everything in this document and the rights that you're giving up by signing it?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
To make sure that you're aware that if you're not a citizen of the United States, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in you being deported, excluded from admission, or denied naturalization under federal laws. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
I understand you have a plea bargain agreement with the state of Texas. I'm not required to follow your agreement, but if I'm not going to follow it, I'm first going to give you the opportunity to withdraw your plea, and nothing that you have said or signed may be used against you in subsequent proceedings. If I do follow your plea bargain agreement, you would need my permission to appeal, and I don't have to give you that permission. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
State, what is the agreement in Mr. Ortiz-Rodriguez's case?
A $0 fine plus court costs, 39 days of confinement with credit for time served and time and money to run concurrent. And we intended to satisfy the judgment.
Is that your understanding of the agreement, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the offense of theft is a Class B misdemeanor between $100 and $750 in value. How do you plead, sir?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you entering a no contest plea because you discussed that with Ms. Settle and decided it's in your best interest?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone force you to do that?
No, Your Honor.
And do you understand that on a no contest plea, I may still find you guilty, and based on your agreement in this case, I will find you guilty if I follow that agreement?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Anything further from the state?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Anything further from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Was the complaining witness a retail store or an individual?
The complaining witness was a Walmart, Your Honor.
I accept the plea, find Mr. Rodriguez guilty of the offense of theft, $0 fine, court costs, 39 days, county jail, credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. Satisfy the judgment based on the time that he has served. Mr. Rodriguez, are you the same Benjamin Rodriguez that was fingerprinted when you were booked into the county jail?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Is there any objection to using that fingerprint for the judgment, Mr. Edelman or Ms. Settle?
No, Your
No,
Honor.
Your Honor.
All right. And I will certify that this is a plea bargain. I followed your plea bargain, and therefore you have no right to appeal. That'll close the record. And I've noted the fingerprint stipulation. Mr. Rodriguez and Ms. Settle, unless there's anything else pending, you guys may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Judge, this is Kyle Simpson. I was going to see if I could approach with a report.
Let me get to that case.
Settle.
All right, you have John Jurison.
I do. And I attended hearing yesterday in the 144th on the felony. There was an offer made, but the DA that made the offer was not there. She had some issue with childcare, and that was recalled until this Friday. And I think that everything's going to be wrapped up, including this, on that day.
These are going to be
Right.
part of that agreement. Or are you going to need
Yeah,
better pleas on them?
Yeah, there was a global agreement that I wanted to discuss a few issues on that I'm going to do on Friday that I think can get resolved. But everything was included.
I'm going to recall it then to the 8th on our impact docket or County Court 15 docket if something is lingering that needs to be resolved. But otherwise, we'll let you guys obviously take care of it Friday. And if we need to come back, we'll be back then on the 8th.
All right, appreciate it. Sorry, I'm not
All
in a coat and tie.
Not a problem.
I wasn't aware of it.
You're
But,
here. We're glad you're here. Go have a good afternoon, and well see you back next week if this doesn't get resolved on Friday.
I didn't mean to steal the black from you.
No, it's all right. I'm not possessive of that. So,
All right, appreciate
all
it.
right, take care and have a good day. You
Thanks,
too.
you too.
Mr. Jerson, you may be excused. Mr. Rodriguez, you may be excused.
Is it time served?
That was announced 39 days and credit for time served, judgment satisfied. You are excused.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. You have a good
Yes,
day.
sir. All right, Ms. Petrashek's here. Mary, you have Kathy Mercer.
Yes, Judge. I think on the screen it's Catherine Glovier.
Okay.
So on this case, it looks like she does have a felony pending as well, and the felony prosecutor has reached out to the misdemeanor prosecutor, and we're trying to, I guess, package the cases together and figure something out. But unfortunately, we were unable to get a hold of the felony prosecutor, but we left some messages and hopefully gonna get this resolved.
Ms. Morgan, any updates on?
No, I actually am sending an email to the felony prosecutor, but they did send me an email saying that it would hope to be a package deal, so not to do anything with it today.
How long of a reset are you guys asking for so that we can get a response?
I can let the felony attorney know if you want it reset it, in the next few days. I
Friday?
can let him know that you want it reset.
Ms. Petrashek, do you think that is likely to lead to a resolution in this case?
Yes, Judge. I think so.
Okay. How about next Thursday, the 10th? And if you guys need a date sooner, then we'll take it up.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
You guys can be excused on that one.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Morgan, do you have any other cases with us?
I don't know if Angel Mendoza, if they're here today.
That one's pending a sanity evaluation, Judge, so we're gonna reset that one.
Okay.
Okay, then Your Honor may be excused.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mhm.
Ms. Rodriguez, your case is gonna be brought back on the 4th, so you're good to go, okay?
Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
So Anna Rodriguez is getting recalled?
Yes, Judge, so we're gonna put that on the county court number 8 because that's gonna be a possible PTD. Ms. Parsa just wants to see if she's gonna be able to apply. And Ms. Morgan is checking on that. So they wanted a setting before next week. And since it couldn't be done tomorrow, then we're gonna put it on the county court 8 docket.
All right, reset to the 8th and the 4th in County Court 8.
Yes.
All right, Ms.
Ms.
Clovier,
Clovier.
you may be excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we're waiting on Benjamin Rodriguez. That was the case with Ms. Settle that just pled.
Yes, so
Neil Mora with Mr. Rocha.
Mr. Rocha, I got a call from his office that he had an emergency, Judge, so he won't be able to come in today. He will be available tomorrow in the afternoon. So I was gonna ask you if you wanted to recall it for tomorrow or
Do we have impact tomorrow or is it Thursday?
tomorrow. You said Wednesday. 2-2.